Hey everyone, today we're doing a soft romantic look specifically for my ladies that are over 40, and I know that pink can sometimes be a little intimidating, but if you pair it with the right shades, it can make you look really young and bright. So let's get into the techniques that work for us. So first rule for 40 plus is hydration. And so I'm applying this hydrating primer by Seite Beauty. It's the Vitamin Boost. I've had this for like ever. And then we're going to be skipping the heavy matte foundations and we're going to be sticking to a luminous tint first skin approach kind of thing. And this is the L'Oreal Serum foundation. So we want to keep that glow. We want the skin to look bouncy and not flat. So if you have freckles like me, you want to let them show. This is going to keep the look fresh. Now I'm just going to be applying a little bit of concealer where I tend to need it the most throughout the day. Usually on parts where we tend to put our hands. I wear glasses so it rubs off when we eat. So yeah, then I like to blend it out with my hands to kind of warm up the product to the skin better. Okay, now time for the eyes. We're gonna try to avoid heavy glitters because that tends to emphasize texture. So we're gonna be dealing with mainly matte colors like a soft pink and some browns. I'm gonna go and use this Reverse Diary by Mascardiato. And this is basically an eyeshadow, but it also acts like a grip to your eyeshadow. And I've been really loving using this for their quick everyday smoky kind of eye look. And you guys can definitely get my code on this product. And I like to blend this out with my finger. This I think works best when you warm it up with your hands. And you see, I can literally just leave it like that. That's a beautiful, nice, rosy pink. It has two shades. You can see it's like a peachy shade and a white. Now I'm going in with back-to-back palette. And I'm going to be taking this pink shade there. And you can also get, this is also from Mascardiato as well. So I'm going to take this pink, light pink shade and literally put it all over my lids. And I'm also gonna grab a little fluffy brush into that same pink and put it onto my crease. And as you're putting this on your crease area, try to, if you have hooded eyes, leave your eyes open. and blend up and outwards. Take a more smaller brush and go into this brown, and I'm gonna be stamping this onto the outer V, and then I'm going to blend it upwards, and this is gonna create a very like lifted look, which is very good for hooded eyes and mature eyes. Next, I'm gonna take an eyeliner brush and this taupey shade. I'm gonna put this taupey shade on first, and then I'm gonna take that brown shade and add it on top, so it looks like this side. You can also add the brown shade first and then blend it out with the taupey color. And if you feel like you add too much product, just wipe your brush on the, I like to keep a towel on my lap. Now I already have lashes on. Go ahead and add your mascara to the top and bottom lashes. So we want to avoid that flat look, and sometimes a monochromatic pink look can lean a little bit on the cool side. So adding this bronzer is gonna act like a perfect bridge between your skin and those rosy tones. So this is gonna keep the face from looking flat or washed out. And if you're over 40, you want to stick to cream formulas. This is very forgiving on mature skin, and this product right here blends like a dream. It won't settle into fine lines at all, and it just gives that warming feature on your skin. So switch to cream products where you can. I'm placing my blush a little bit higher than I used to, right on the cheekbones, and this is going to give the face that natural lift. So for the lips, you want to avoid those super dry mattes. We want a little bit of sheen. This is going to make the lips look fuller. So this is the final look, and I'm standing in natural lighting. And you see, pink doesn't have to look like Barbie. As long as you have a little bit of brown, it can change the whole game in a lifted sort of way. And so if you found this video helpful in any kind of way, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more beauty tips our age. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.